Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at these mossy oak hand-forged knives. So these are provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to them in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So I have three different knives here. Now these are all to be purchased separately. I have the 6-inch hand-forged boning knife, 6-inch hand-forged cleaver knife, and 6.5-inch hand-forged chef knife. So in the Amazon description this is described as the chef knife, this is the cleaver, and this is the Serbian knife. So I'll turn these over, and it lists pretty much the same thing on the back of each of these as far as this goes, but it says durable stainless steel, superior cutting edge, hand forged process, ergonomic premium wood handle, and full tang design. So that's on all of the knives. So let's get these unboxed. So I'll do the boning knife first. So this comes with a sheath made of leather. Here we have the instructions. More or less shows what's on the back of the box. It does have washing instructions. It says wash with warm water and mild soap, rinse and dry completely with a soft towel. So I'll get all three of these unboxed, then we'll take a closer look at each one. So this is the cleaver. And this is the Serbian knife. Here's the boning knife. I'll unsnap this. Now pull it out. There we have it. So you can see this has a hammered texture on it. The handle is very smooth. Full tang. Feels very nice. I don't have a caliper on me, but let's see. This is about 5/32 thick. I'll just leave that out. Here we have the cleaver. Looks to be the same construction as the chef knife. So this does have a hole here to give you more purchase. And here's the hand-forged chef knife, or the Serbian. That's a beast. That's nice. You can see we have a little loop here. You could hang it from something. These could all really actually be put on a belt. So if you're in the outdoors and you're carrying this, you could wear it. Let me get some food to cut here and I'll demonstrate cutting with these. Okay, I have a couple things to cut here. I have a russet potato and a carrot. I don't have any meat right now. So let's try the boning knife first. So I'll do the carrot. Cuts very nicely. Very smooth. Let's try the potato. Now I'm not an expert at cutting things, but that was very easy to cut. Let's go to the cleaver. Now I found that curved blade to be a little bit more difficult to cut the carrot for this type of thing. I think this would work better on meat, but it cut through it just fine. And then we'll go to the Serbian. So these all cut through the vegetables pretty easily, and I have not sharpened these. These are right out of the box. So I don't know if I've flipped these over, but these say mossy oak on the other side. All three of them do. There. So these are the mossy oak hand-forged knives. We have the 6-inch boning knife, 6-inch cleaver knife, and 6.5-inch Serbian chef knife. So I think these knives have a very cool style. I think these knives would go well with an outdoor lifestyle. So if you're into camping and hunting, this could be a good set of knives to say put with your camping hunting gear. Maybe put these in your RV. These would also go well in like a hunting or camping lodge. I really like the look of them, the hammered look, and the nice handles. Of course, needless to say, I think knives like this would also make a great gift for someone in your life that is into the outdoor lifestyle. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you liked this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.